or two you if I look
alike. Baby. My brain. Maybe I'm sorry that's a new one. And before this whole craze and attention on it, it had always been there. But I said we moved there now, Atija, but it was always there. I was saying the other day, man, penny come friend can promise. You understand what I mean? Like, and I know you're gonna ask me how I feel about it if say me willful, but like I said on other platforms, at the end of the day, I'm a role model to a lot of people. Me idol man, almost share me out. She said they like me or they want to be like me or they want to follow my path, and it's a blessing that I get to influence me and my generation. And even if it's not my generation, for myself for what I do, it means I'm doing something right. What you say, and whichever way I choose to say on share me or don't know, as long as they are not stepping on any toes and being messing with my brand, and that is cool.
Oh, now you're just someone yes I almost stepping on toes here.
My toes there, baby. Because me who go be I from King Promise. As I the enemy in January too. As will be pamatire, what do design to no be crazy. Also ye be. But sauce near all sauce. What you say? At the end of the day, who's the real King Promise?
Now we uncle for anka opese obo amu ana bibi.
Me name exactly omo ade omo ye. A very dicey situation because you have to be very careful. Me share and kasa home because if you go show them love, ebia as a wa bomb abaso no mo ko ibi bia enye, it will come against you. So only omo koso ana obu for it will be like, why, like you are here, why are you fighting with these young ones who are showing you love? So I'm very indifferent about it, and I don't hate them. Like I show them love. Like I'm happy I inspire a generation. You know, it means a lot to me. Say in my time as an artist who I'm new, I'm relatively new compared to me paying for no, me nyanko for bebree, and they all want to be like King Promise. It shows the kind of influence I've been able to have, you know, since I've come up, and you know, it's a blessing.
Bakubi so chene phone yampa.
Yeah.
Na sana video bi o ka so chene phone kra obo brand ne so sa brand ne keke na odi man.
Oh, Ankasa. I saw a video too. I'll say maybe he expected something else, but I'm a brand ambassador of High Sense, and I'm very proud of it. I wasn't going to, you know, I don't know what people thought, but when he reached out, I saw on the internet, and you know, asking, I'm like, guys, you know what? You know, let's give him something, because I'm the brand ambassador of High Sense, and we have a phone line. So I'm like, let's give him something, you know. And he said he appreciates it. Like, so I saw him on the internet. He himself can say, oh yeah, High Sense brand ambassador. It only makes sense because I said, so many. And I saw the video, you know.
So say lawyer me dan any something lady any kasai or someone see omo
for them.
I said impersonation.
Defamation. So on family impersonation. So on family DNco or enco Jiska enco stage. Say a friend is I say YouTube mo show am book King Promise na wa fa no. And on original stage at 2 million. E act see me. I don't see. But so we nipa so we need that. I'll shake King Promise. Obaka ko buki obi star. Amane sika so also o asem kakra.